Hi there, my name is Philip, and I'll be telling you 5 things that you need to pass 2026 UTME examination. So whether you are taking the examination again because you not gain admission, or you are taking the examination for the first time, these are 5 things that you need to pass the examination without having any reason for taking the examination again. Number one thing is early preparation. And why do you need early preparation? You have to be determined. If you really want to succeed in UTME, your preparation has to be very early, because they are covering a whole lot of things. They are covering the whole JAMB syllabus. And to cover JAMB syllabus, if you look at your WAEC syllabus in your secondary school, they will most likely teach you for 3 years. Most of the science subjects are taken for 3 years. But the whole period that you have between your preparation and JAMB examination is just like maybe 6 or 7 months. And now imagine you are now waiting till maybe January or February before you start preparation. That won't be enough. So you have to start early. You start preparation maybe by November or October or probably December. And if you are very good, you can start January and still make it. So early preparation is key. Second thing that you need to pass 2026 UTME is the JAMB syllabus. The JAMB syllabus is a document that contains all the subjects, all the topics you are supposed to have read, the objectives of the topics, things you should have known about those topics before the examination. So making good use of the JAMB syllabus will actually help you. It will help you to tailor your preparation in such a way that you will know what you should read, things that they expect you to know. Imagine you read something, assuming you read something like maybe photosynthesis in your biology textbook now. If you look at the JAMB syllabus, you will see things and they expect you to know about photosynthesis. So the second thing is what? The JAMB syllabus. And the third thing that you need to pass 2026 UTME is the what? Your recommended textbooks. There are textbooks and there are textbooks. You know, like a farmer, if you are going to farm, you must go with the right tools, otherwise you will not have the right produce. So go with the right tools. What are the right tools that you need? Recommended textbooks. And to get the recommended textbook for JAMB, you can check the JAMB syllabus. You will see the recommended textbook for each of the topic there. And if you can't find that, you can send us a message with the number up there. Send a message to WhatsApp and you will be able to get the recommended textbooks that you need to pass the examination. Then the number 4 thing that you need to pass your examination is periodic assessment. You need to assess yourself. As you read a particular topic, you go to your past question. By solving them, you solve them. Let's assume that you read maybe it, or maybe you read scalars and vectors. You can go to JAMB past question and solve questions based on that. There are a lot of past questions out there that have already grouped these questions based on topic. So you don't have to be stressing yourself of solving 1980 something, 1970 something when you come across different topics. But now there are past questions that contain topics or questions that are based on the topics. An example is fact sources. To get fact sources as well, you can send a message to the number up there, then you'll be able to get it. Or you get JAMB Remix, which you can get at any bookshop around you. So you can check out for JAMB Remix or fact sources. Both of them are actually very, very good for your preparation. So make sure you get any of the two and you'll be good to go. The last 2 that you need to pass your JAMB examination is tutorial. Now, it's not everybody that needs tutorial. There are some people that are very good, they can read on their own, and of course they will understand it, you don't have any issue. For instance, when I was preparing for my UTME, I did not attend any tutorial at all. So you can do the same thing, but if you know you are not very strong, maybe if you've taken the exam like 2 times and you are not getting the right result, that shows that something is definitely wrong somewhere. So you need to join tutorials. There are different types of tutorials you can join. You can join online tutorials, you can join on-site or physical tutorials. Just make sure you join a very good tutorial that have good success stories and they have good success record. You can check out some tutorials. You can join our online tutorials as well, because we have online tutorials and we have students that do very well. The last time, one of our students scored 350 plus in the examination. So we have many students that have scored 300 plus in the past years. So you can check out our online tutorials, which is very, very affordable. We are definitely going to learn a whole lot of things. In fact, you'll be challenged to improve. And also, you can check out our on-site tutorials as well. We have on-site tutorials which is located at our center here in Ibadan, University of Ibadan. So you can check us out. And you can also check any other tutorial that is very close to your area. You can attend them. Just make sure the tutorial you are attending, you are seeing changes. That's number 1 thing. Make sure you are seeing changes. Above all, The number 6 thing that you need to do to pass examination, although I mentioned 5, but this one is very, very important, like more important than any other thing, is the God factor. You need to acknowledge the God factor, because without God, it's not going to work. Definitely, nothing is going to work without God. Even our existence is by God. So you have to commit everything to God's hands. Your examination, you can prepare very hard and still end up with a very poor performance. You can prepare very hard and not have a lucky day, because the examination is no longer based on maybe your understanding or your knowledge. You can do an examination. I've seen students, I've mentored and I've taught students for the past 5 years. I've seen students that are very, very good. They might be posted to a particular day, maybe Monday, their examination is Monday, and they go for that exam. The exam may be very hard, and they end up scoring something like maybe 280 or 270. Whereas I've seen students that are not as good as those ones, they might post them to Wednesday, and they will meet questions that are not very, very hard, and they might end up with maybe 340, 330. So things like that happen, and that's why you have to include God in whatever you are doing, especially in your preparation. You have to include God. So thank you very much for listening to me, and see you in the next video. Please like this video, subscribe to this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.